Could I actually fall in love with an operating system just because it sounds like Scarlett Johansson? Yeah. I am the Albatross, and today we're going to discuss the movie Her. Her. No, not him. Her. Her was directed by Spike Jonze. This is the same guy who brought us Where the Wild Things Are. Okay, let's leave that one out of it. But he also directed Being John Malkovich, which is one of the all-time quirkiest movies in film history. And what we have here is probably even more so. Going into this film, I knew that the biggest leap of faith I was going to have in this movie was actually believing that a man could fall in love with a program, an operating system. And that was one of the reasons I didn't fully think I was going to be able to buy into it. But I'll be honest with you, it didn't take long for me to feel for the Samantha character, voiced by Scarlett Johansson. This movie explored the depths of emotions that go through relationships in a way that I haven't seen in a film in a long time. And the fact that it's being done between a human and an operating system just makes it that much more powerful, because when you do get invested in these characters, you really get invested. When you fall in love, when he falls in love with Samantha in this movie, you fall in love with Samantha in this movie. Her is an emotionally gripping tale that takes you on a journey through the highs and lows of what it means to be in love. This movie had it all. It will take you by the heart and it will pull every string you have. If you've ever been in a relationship, if you've ever been in love, if you've ever been dumped, then you're going to know exactly what Joaquin Phoenix's character is going through. But more importantly, this film has a message, and isn't that what a great film is supposed to do? There were great performances all around. Joaquin Phoenix or should definitely be nominated for an Oscar. I wish like hell the Academy would get over their stiff-assness and possibly even nominate Scarlett Johansson, because the emotional performance that she gave as the voice of this operating system was just top-notch. And like I said, you get invested in these characters, you get invested in their relationship. There was an absolutely hilarious voice-over cameo by Kristen Wiig in the scene that made me laugh. I was missing scenes. I was missing the beginning of scenes following this cameo because I was still laughing from that particular scene so much. That said though, like I said, this is a serious relationship that this guy and his operating system are into. And with any serious relationship, it's going to have its good moments and it's going to have its bad moments, and I think that's what I love most about it. Bottom line, Her was a beautiful movie. It was a sweet movie. It was a strange movie, but it was a movie that will get you emotionally invested. Amy Adams did a wonderful job. Chris Pratt did a wonderful job. Olivia Wilde, I figured she would be in the film for a bit longer than she actually was, but for the scene she was in, she delivered, and actually she probably gave one of the better acting performances that I've ever seen her give. So kudos to you, Olivia Wilde. So if you've ever been in love in your life, Her is a perfect movie to watch, especially with a significant other. It's a movie that will take you on an emotional roller coaster. It's a movie with highs and lows. It's a strange tale. It's a beautiful tale. It's a weird tale. It's a romantic tale. And all in all, it's a fairy tale. Her is a wonderful movie. I enjoyed it. I'll watch it again. Her is nearly flawless, and that's the truth. And I'm the Albatross. Until next time, peace. One of the all-time quirkiest movies in film history, and what we have here is probably even more so.